Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Right, let's have a look at this Z Fold 6 that arrived yesterday. Right, here are the specifications. Box is pretty light. I guess the packaging is good, but you know what that means. It means we don't have a charger and so forth. So this is going to be a simple unboxing. Right, let's have a look. Even though we have no charger and so forth in a box, it's not bad. Nice, I have to say, it does look very nice. But I'll admit the enthusiasm isn't there. It's just not there. Sorry, Samsung, but I need more. But I'm going to give this phone a chance. I'm going to give it a chance because, let's find out what it has to offer first. And the price. Let's not even talk about the price. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with you, Samsung? Right off the bat, you can feel the weight. Let me get the sticker off here. There we go. Yeah, you can feel the weight. It does feel good though. And like everyone says, the boxy design is very nice. It is very nice. It feels solid. It feels well made. I'd say it even feels, I wouldn't say better, but it feels more well made than the Vivo. Okay, there we go. There we go again. Excuse the light. Right, let's move this out of the way. Very nice. Very nice. Now I'll be comparing it with this little boy. Where are we? Here we go. The Z Fold does have huge competition in these Chinese phones. So we'll have a look at the Vivo compared to the Z Fold 6, and I'll give my real initial impressions later. What do you think, son?
I think it's really good. It's a phone and a tab combined.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it? What do you think?
I think it's really good, Dad.
Well, we'll see. That was the first boot up. Took ages. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Just waiting for that first boot up. It's taking ages. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, people. Once again, thank you very much for watching.